Welcome to this guided healing meditation. Please find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit or lie down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath, allowing yourself to relax and let go of any tension. With your palms out open, ready to receive, imagine a beautiful beam of healing light shining down from above, directly onto the top of your head. Visualize this light as a pure, radiant energy filled with love, healing, and rejuvenation. As you breathe in, imagine that this healing light is entering through the top of your head, flowing down into your body. Feel it gently spreading through every cell, tissue, and organ. Focus your attention on your palms. Visualize them glowing with a soft, warm light. This light represents the healing energy flowing through your hands. Place your hands on your body, wherever you feel guided to. It could be your heart, your stomach, or any area that needs healing and rejuvenation. Feel the warmth and energy from your palms radiating into your body, infusing every cell with revitalizing light. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine this healing light expanding within you, filling your entire being with radiant energy. Feel it dissolving any tension, stress, or discomfort, replacing it with a deep sense of peace and well-being. Allow yourself to fully receive this healing light, knowing that it is replenishing and rejuvenating your body, mind, and spirit. Feel the energy flowing through you, bringing balance and harmony. Take a moment to express gratitude for this healing light and the transformation it brings to your being. Feel a sense of appreciation for the healing process taking place within you. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly open your eyes. Your healing is now complete. Namaste.